Hey, you guys. It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? I did another SHEIN haul because I thought the last one went so well that I wanted to get some more things. So I have a package here, and I already opened it because one of the things I wanted to see what it looked like, and I put it out in the house, but I reboxed it for ya so we can make this more legit. We're just gonna literally open some stuff, look at it, and go on with our lives. So if that interests you, stay tuned. This is really just like a random mismatch of things. Some of them are gothy, some of them are homey, some of them are, I don't even know what the word is. But let's get into the first one, which is one of the more awesome ones. I'm going to be honest. So this is actually, here, let me tell ya, everything I got in here is a little under $39 total. This first thing that I bought is a ceramic heart vase. Look at this thing. So I actually was pricing these on Amazon. I saw one on Temu, but I originally saw it on SHEIN. This is supposed to be like a flower vase that has like holes in the different aortas and arteries and all of that. It's made from a ceramic. This thing was only $6.68, and I do have a place for it in the Gothic farmhouse. It's going to go on a tray right underneath our television on the console, just to give it that little bit of a dark aesthetic. Again, my Gothic farmhouse is supposed to be subtly dark. I want people to walk in and feel comfortable, but then as they see some of the details in the house, they're like, oh, these people are a little weird. For $6.68, I think this is well crafted. It's a nice size, and yeah, I really like this one. All right, the next thing, this is a bathroom rug, and I bought this because this is the one that I originally wanted on Temu, and they sent me that shitty pink, fluorescent yellow, purple rug, or whatever the hell it was. That thing on Temu was $10, and this one on SHEIN, I only paid $2.20. So let's open her up. I know the camera is a little bit close, so you're not going to be able to see the whole thing, but yep, this is it. This is the pebble pattern. It's very soft. It's a little textured. Man, for $2.20, I am not going to be mad at this one at all. Good for you, SHEIN. The next two things are also house related. I am trying to put a little bit more green into the Gothic farmhouse because my husband is a plant guy, so we have plants all over the house. And I thought, you know, throw pillows are one of the best ways to add some pops of color to your home. So I got these two pillowcase covers, which have monstera, palm, fern, leaves. I actually, when I saw the photo of these, I thought this was going to be a little bit darker green, but they are really pretty. They're kind of like a velvety leaf print, and they've got a little bit of gold in the background, which I didn't really anticipate, but it's okay. These were only $6.99 a piece, and I do have the pillows to put inside of them, so kind of excited to see how that works. You know, we have kind of like a gray, black, and white theme going on in the house, so these are just little pops of color, and yeah, I think that they're well made, and for $6, not gonna be mad at it. All right, a piece of clothing. Let's see here. These are the SHEIN Easy Wear High Waist Flare Leg Pants. These were $5.70, and these, yes, super soft, like sweater-like material, but they're very thin, which is nice. And these are kind of going to be loungy pants, but if I'm feeling a little spicy, maybe I'll wear them outside. But yeah, these are just like a comfy pull-on flare pant. They feel very comfortable. Hopefully I'll have some B-roll in here to show you what they look like, but you know, just open them here right now. But yeah, kind of excited about these. $5.70. Okay, this was one of those crappy little add-on items. I actually saw these on Temu and thought about buying one, but I didn't. But then I saw it on SHEIN and it was like, hey, we are only going to charge you 40 cents for this. So this is for the kitchen. This is supposedly, it's like a spoon, spatula, rest, or whatever. And then right here is where you can kind of set a pot top or a pan top. So yeah, it's a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be, but I guess if you're setting a lid here, that probably needs to be like that. But yeah, this is cute. 40 cents. I mean, God, it's like something that, you know, you would pick out of the trash. What the hell does that mean? And these little guys, can you tell what these are? These were $1.52. This is a set of 10 pasties, or what you would call nipple covers. I know. I mean, I have new boobs, you know, like kind of want to try and wear some tops that might need these. They've got the little kind of fabric for your actual nipples, and then they have like a sticky backing to like actually stick on your tits. So yeah, $1.52. I don't even know if I'm ever going to use them, but you know what? I'm going to fucking give it a shot. All right, the next thing that we have is a tank top. I got this in size extra large, and it is pretty cute. It's kind of like a little muscle tank. It definitely is kind of that shiny polyester material. I only paid $4.23 for it. It has a really cute little embroidered moon and star on it. And hopefully I'll have some B-roll so you can take a look at it. But I think this is really cute for like $4, you know. It's definitely my style. With a pair of jeans, this is gonna look pretty cute, I think. All right, the next thing is a belt. This is a elastic, a stretchy kind of, I don't know, clippy belt thing. It's like 2 triangles, and then you, I guess, put it like that after you put it around your shirt or waist or whatever. This is strictly for tightening up some flowy tops for me. Just to like define that waistline a little bit. But yeah, I think this is pretty cute. I only paid $2.44 for this. I'm hoping that this mechanism like stays in put, you know what I mean? But yeah, $2.44. This is cute. And then the final item, I finally bought myself one of these because this was super cheap. This was $1.80, and I'm hoping that this is like better quality than what you can get at Dollar Tree. But yes, this is, oh, it's really pretty. Okay, so obviously if you can't tell, this is like a hand fan. I literally bought this because I think somebody actually commented when I was talking about some setting spray. Get yourself a black fan, girl, and feel fabulous, so that you can like dry your setting spray on your vanity, you know? I thought, let me do that. And this is actually really pretty. It's kind of like a meshy lace material, and it's plastic at the bottom. So, I mean, you can tell it's not like super quality, but for $1.80, yes, bitch, I am definitely going to use this. So that was my SHEIN haul. What'd you guys think? I mean, I will say, I feel like SHEIN kind of like if we're going to put a percentage on it, I would say like 85% delivers every time. I have had less success with the Temu, but look, I am definitely getting a little bit more impressed with the SHEIN. So comment down below on what your favorite item in this little mini haul is, and if you could like this video, it really does help me out. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, you would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.